Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to do a little scrapbook haul. One thing is from Amazon and the others are from my local scrapbook store. I love this. Isn't this cute? It comes in a little box and it's an alphabet stamp. It has the uppercase, the lowercase, and the numbers, which I love. Love, 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 love. So I'm going to be keeping this. First of all, it is super cute. So I want to keep it on my desk, right? Because it's cute. And then I'll have that stamp set ready to go. I have an ink pads right next to me, and I can just do quick titles with this. Now the rest is from my local scrapbook store. I didn't get too much. I just wanted a little bit from these collections. So this is 49 and Market. Obviously, I am obsessed with them. And it's the Crafty Garden collection. So first of all, I got the laser cut elements. It's got 79 pieces. I love these. Love, love, love. I'm forever using them. So I love this. Then the laser cut wildflower, which tons of flowers, 72. So there's four full sheets. So 72. It has lots of leafage, lots of flowers, lots of little critters or flutter bugs, like I like to call them. And then I got the rub-on transfers. It's got 3 6x12 sheets. And look how it's just packed. Every, inch of this is just full. So I love using those. So we're going to be using those. And then I got the solids from the collection. I don't particularly like the pattern papers, but I love the solids. Then you have a pattern paper for your background, but it's very subtle. Like, I just love those. Love, love, love. So that's the only thing I got from this collection. I don't know if they just didn't make one of these, the washi stickers for this collection, or they were sold out. I'm not sure, but they didn't have it for this collection. Then the other partial collection, again, I didn't get everything. The 49 in Market, the washi tape stickers. Oh my goodness, I love those. Love, love, love those. And then this is the Kaleidoscope collection. So I got the laser cut wildflowers. Love those. Love. Oh, look at all the hummingbirds. So cute. Can't wait to use them. And then the laser cut elements. This one had 66 pieces. This one has 116. And the reason I wanted to film this right away is because I'm making page kits to go to a crop. It's just a day crop on June 1st. And I thought, I want to make a couple pages using these for sure. And then this one here is the rub-on transfers. So 3 sheets of rub-ons. Super cute. And then the last thing I got was the 12x12 solid collection pack, again from Kaleidoscope. And look at those papers. Gorgeous. Now, what I'm going to do is before I, start making page kits, I'm going to find, some 12x12 papers or some 6x6 that go really well with these 2 collections. And then I'll have some pattern papers to throw in there. So that's it. That is going to complete this haul. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.